Introducing the TheOG Powerlock Heavy-Duty Multi-Tool. Crafted for durability and efficiency, the Powerlock Multi-Tool is designed to handle the demands of any job. Featuring powerful pliers and an electrician wire cutter, this multi-tool is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Cut through wires with a wide array of tools at your disposal. The TheOG Powerlock ensures you're prepared for any situation. Precision and ease, thanks to the high-quality, sharp blades. Carry it securely with the included ballistic nylon sheath, complete with a convenient clip for easy access. Get the TheOG Powerlock Heavy-Duty Multi-Tool today for just $50.90. Discover the ultimate in outdoor relaxation with the RUD Double Hammock. Made from strong, 100% recycled, water-resistant ripstop fabric, the RUD Double Hammock is built to last and environmentally friendly. This hammock offers unmatched durability and comfort, ensuring you stay dry and relaxed, no matter where you are. Designed to comfortably fit 2 people, the RUD Double Hammock is perfect for sharing your outdoor adventures. Compact and portable, the RUD Double Hammock fits into its bag. Experience comfort, durability, and convenience with the RUD Double Hammock for just $84.95. Meet the Gerber Gear Stakeout 11 in 1 multi-tool, the essential everyday carry for all your outdoor adventures. Crafted with precision and designed for versatility, this multi-tool is packed with 11 essential tools in one compact design. Featuring a sharp 2.2-inch plain edge blade, the Stakeout is perfect for cutting tasks on the go. Need to set up or break down your campsite? The built-in tent stake puller makes it a breeze. From opening bottles to filing down rough edges, the Stakeout has you covered with tools for every situation. Get the Gerber Gear Stakeout 11 in 1 multi-tool today for just $41. Introducing the Igni Backside Heated Pad, your perfect companion for staying warm in the great outdoors. Designed for comfort and convenience, this heated pad ensures you stay cozy, no matter how cold it gets. With customizable heat settings, you can easily adjust the warmth to your preference, keeping you comfortable in any weather. Perfect for camping, tailgating, or any outdoor activity. Made from durable, water-resistant fabric, this pad is built to withstand the elements, ensuring long-lasting performance. Lightweight and packable, the Igni Backside Heated Pad is easy to carry and store. Get the Igni Backside Heated Pad today for just $74.96. Introducing the CJRB Cutlery Mini Pyite Folding Pocket Knife, the perfect blend of style, durability, and functionality. Crafted with a 2.17-inch AR, RPM 9 steel blade, this small EDC knife is designed for precision and strength. The AR, RPM 9 steel blade ensures excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it reliable and long-lasting. Whether you're at work, hiking, camping, or tackling daily tasks, the Mini Pyite delivers exceptional performance. Featuring a striking blue handle, this knife not only looks great, but also provides a comfortable and secure grip. Get the CJRB Cutlery Mini Pyite Folding Pocket Knife today for just $45.95. Introducing the Ultimate 17-in-1 Multi-Tool Knife, your go-to companion for camping, survival, and everyday use. Designed for versatility and durability, this multi-tool is packed with 17 essential tools to tackle any situation. From fire-starting sticks to a bottle opener, saw, screwdrivers, whistle, and window breaker, this multi-tool has everything you need in one compact package. Whether you're opening a bottle or cutting through wood, window breaker, this multi-tool is built to handle it all. With integrated screwdrivers for quick fixes and a whistle for emergency signaling, this multi-tool is your reliable partner in any scenario. Get the 17-in-1 multi-tool knife today for just $21. Introducing the Rovertac 14-in-1 multi-tool axe, your essential companion for camping, hiking, and survival. Packed with 14 indispensable tools, this multi-tool is designed to handle any challenge you face in the great outdoors. Featuring a robust axe and hammer, the Rovertac multi-tool is perfect for chopping wood, pliers, saw, and driving stakes, making your camping setup effortless. With a sharp knife, screwdrivers, and a bottle opener, you'll be ready for anything, from preparing food to making quick repairs. Open cans effortlessly and signal for help when needed with the integrated can opener and whistle, essential for survival situations. Get the Rovertac 14-in-1 multi-tool axe today for just $17.99. Introducing the Mini Keychain Knife, a compact and versatile EDC tool designed for everyday convenience. With a sleek, silver design, these 1.6-inch blade knives are perfect for women, teens, and anyone needing a reliable tool on the go. Featuring a sharp 1.6-inch blade and a secure liner lock, these mini knives ensure safety and precision in every cut. From opening packages to cutting string, these pocket knives are designed to handle a variety of everyday tasks effortlessly. Compact and lightweight, the Mini Keychain Knife is perfect for carrying in your pocket. Get your 2-piece Mini Keychain Knife set today for just $9.99. Introducing the Gerber Gear EAB Light Utility Pocket Knife, the perfect blend of functionality. Featuring a sharp 1.5-inch blade, this utility knife is designed for precision and ease, making it ideal for box cutting and other daily tasks. Designed with convenience in mind, the integrated money clip allows you to carry it securely in your pocket, doubling as a money holder. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the EAB Light Utility Knife is built to last. Get the Gerber Gear EAB Light Utility Pocket Knife today for just $11.87. Introducing the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter, the ultimate tool for hiking, camping, travel, and emergency preparedness. LifeStraw removes 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria and 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites, filtering up to 1,000 gallons of water. Weighing just 2 ounces and measuring 9 inches long, LifeStraw fits easily into any backpack, emergency kit, or travel bag. Simply immerse the straw in water and sip through the mouthpiece. No batteries, chemicals, or complicated setups required. Made from high-quality, BPA-free materials, LifeStraw is built to withstand tough conditions, making it a dependable resource in any situation at just $19.95. Introducing the LCFUN Waterproof Electric Lighter. Built for adventurers who demand reliability in any environment. This windproof, dual-arc USB rechargeable lighter is your ultimate companion for camping, hiking, and survival scenarios. No more struggles with traditional lighters. The LCFUN electric lighter uses advanced plasma technology, ensuring a flameless, consistent spark in rain or shine. It's more than just a tool. It's a tactical gear essential, perfect for lighting campfires, igniting stoves, or simply staying prepared in emergencies. Rechargeable via USB, it offers convenience without the need for fuel or messy refills. Priced at just $9.89.